guys.
Hi.
It's Lexi Patton here and Kaylee King, and this is my first one ever
Doing on YouTube.
Yeah.
So, we have Musically.
Yeah. Mine is KK King.
Yeah. Which is right.
She's trying to get her followers.
Okay. You're like down at the bottom. Oh, right there. So hers is
me.
KK King.
Whoa, why is it dark? Please follow me and
Yeah, it's not wanting to do.
and I cannot. Oh, please follow me and her because.
Mine is
Oops, sorry.
It's okay. It's Lexi Pattinson. See, here's my sister. I'll show you one of my privates.
I have a ton of privates.
This is my friend Alicia.
Follow her too.
Yeah.
She's really good.
So that was one of my favorites. So, you know about that and all that, right?
So today we're gonna be singing and hopefully.
So what do you want to sing?
I don't know.
Okay. Do you want to sing? That's my man over there. This is my man. Here, I'll show you my man.
And Shawn Mendes, if you see her, please give her tickets.
Oh my gosh, please. He's my man. I love him.
What song should we sing?
Make sure you guys comment down below and see what song you want us to sing.
Say
and
what, say
and
what
subscribe and all that.
Sorry that we got a little confused with what we were
Yeah.
And comment down below to tell us what ideas you have for us, and she'll be doing them. I probably won't because
She probably won't.
I don't have YouTube. Okay?
Yeah, it's on my channel.
Yeah.
So please, guys, make sure you subscribe and all that. And because I only have like 7 subscribers because I'm new to this. So, yeah.
And do you like my shirt?
Yeah.
It's brand new, but I think
Mine says I may be cute, but I have man and discuss. So let's get started into the singing.
What song are we gonna sing?
Do you think we should sing "Treat You Better" by Shawn Mendes?
Should we sing Frozen?
Frozen, really?
Yeah. Okay. Do you want to?
Little Do You Know.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna be singing "Little Do You Know." Little do you know how I'm breaking while you fall asleep. Little do you know I'm still haunted by the memories. Little do you know I'm trying to pick myself up piece by piece.
Little do you know I
just need a little more time. Okay, that's all we know.
Can we do another song?
Do you want
to sing?
We'll do another song. We will sing "Treat You Better," right?
Okay.
Okay. I won't lie to you. I know it's just not right for you. You can tell me if I'm off, but I see it on your face when you say what you want. When you're spending all this time in this wrong situation, and it's time you want it to stop. I know I can treat you better than he can, and any girl like you deserves a gentleman. Tell me why we wasting time on
Crime on when you should play with me instead.
Okay. I'm about to die of cough. She's cracking up laughing. Get her.
Emma Billy!
Okay, we're gonna have to set it down here.
Splits!
Okay.
I'm a big girl that can do the splits, and that is really surprising.
Good. But I have like really bad cough situation right now. Cough, cough, cough. Okay. Please like and subscribe and comment down below saying that you like and subscribe. And that would be all for today, guys. Thank you. Bye. We're not over yet. Now we are. I'm done. I'm gone.